Hindi na lang ako.
I would like to call our escort. Reading, it's a paper from your muse. Morning everyone. As we all know, this is our 4th year in this school celebrating this Nutrition Month. Before anything else, I would like to say I love you guys and knowing that we're close, very
Kevin,
close,
Oslapa talaga.
and no one can open us. It's just different right now because we will make it more memorable than ever. As in more memorable than the past 3 years because this is our last na. And besides, we have our
Lloyd.
we're already in our right age to have fun. So thank you for loving each other. Thank you for understanding. I know that sometimes we have our misunderstandings. Ma'am, thank you. Summarize namin the Spartan, the Alpha. Thank you. And for all our teachers out there, without them, we cannot learn anything. Without our teammates, guys, we love our teammates.
Yes.
Cheating arrangement. Our cheating arrangement. What else? Our again. It's really memorable. That's why. Have fun today and
You should be very happiness
we should be very happiness. Try and try.
until you die.
Try and try until we success.